Hey guys, well, we're packing up to head out to Mammoth Tuff for the gravel race. I'm not going to race, but Bree's going to go do the mid-size one, which is about 65 miles, and I want to say about like 4,000 to 5,000 feet of climbing. So we're going out there for a 3-day weekend, so heading out today is Friday, and get out there today and camp, and then she'll be racing tomorrow. Try to go take some photos and try to run around and see if I can chase the race while we're out there. Otherwise, I'll just be hanging out and chilling. I just got the truck all packed up right now and just waiting for Bree to do the final touches.
That right turn onto Scenic Loop, and then you are following this truck for a little ways up that, and then the truck is going to zoom ahead. Don't try to follow.
Well, Bree started the race. She's doing the middle size today, and I was gonna go chase, but the battery in the truck died, so I jump started, got to Napa and Mammoth, and swapping out the battery right now, and then hopefully I'll be able to go find them different spots and just keep chasing the race and try to get some photos and video throughout the day. Just helped out another rider that keeps getting confused at the split, but they're gonna wrap around on the street and then they're gonna come back out onto the dirt path, and I'm gonna try to see if I can get the drone up in some spots, and then also just try to catch some of the lead riders for the mid-size, because I did not look at the route for the big one, so I haven't been following that one at all. But we caught Bree twice so far for some photos, and a couple of her friends, so we'll keep seeing if we can grab some more photos as they go.